which is unique to these fighter aircraft. This technique is an advantage that allows the aircraft to shorten their landing distance. You will notice this as they touch down.
Is a versatile and sought-after multi-role fighter, capable of conducting air-to-air and air-to-ground operations with just a flick of a switch. It is one of the best all-round fighter aircraft in the world.
The F-16 is from 143 Squadron and named after the mythical bird, the Phoenix. Its motto, "We Dare," is deemed to be most appropriate as it identifies the personnel of the squadron with daring courage and resilience of the Phoenix.
Gentlemen, boys and girls, get ready to welcome the mighty C-130 Hercules, coming back from its airdrop mission in a short while.
The C-130 has participated in many operational missions that includes the 2009 West Sumatra earthquake and 2011 Christchurch earthquake humanitarian and disaster relief missions. And ladies and gentlemen, we have just witnessed our Air Force defending our skies and the full spectrum of the RSAF operations. Ladies and gentlemen, last but not least, from your right in a diamond formation, presenting the Diamond Star DA-40 new generation trainer aircraft from the Singapore Youth Flying Club.
This year, the Singapore Youth Flying Club is celebrating its 40th anniversary of promoting aviation and inculcating a strong passion in flying amongst young Singaporeans.
As the premier flying aviation training center in Singapore, they have introduced and provided flying experience to more than 5,000 young Singaporeans. And this was achieved with an excellent safety record, staying accident-free in all 40 years of flying training.
Ladies and gentlemen, now we would like to bring your attention back to the screen on your right for a corporate video presented by the Singapore Youth Flying Club and followed by the Air Force Recruitment Center. The Diamond DA-40 trainer is a sleek, fully composite aircraft that comes equipped with modern instrumentation that rivals those used in military and commercial aircraft. A clamshell canopy provides great cockpit visibility and its aerodynamic structure provides excellent handling qualities and maneuverability. The aircraft is truly a safe and fun trainer to fly. The Singapore Youth Flying Club is offering some joyride flights to a few lucky visitors here today. The Singapore Youth Flying Club can start you off to an exciting and rewarding flying career. Many of their ex-students have gone on to become successful pilots in the RSAF.